Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu says that one of the scholars of the Jews came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we find in Torah that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu on the day of resurrection lifting the heavens on one finger, the earth on one finger, the trees on one finger, water and soil on one finger, and rest of the creatures on one finger, will say, I am the king. Thereupon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam laughed so much so that his molars got exposed. As if confirming the statement of the Jewish scholar, the Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited this verse, and they esteemed not Allah as was due to him, and he will roll up the entire earth on the day of judgment, and all the heavens shall be rolled up by his authority, and he is sanctified and exalted from their association. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4811.